Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks on your headphones 1More. You have to start by opening the application, and I recommend to install this application. Now the first one is these headphones have ANC. Now I put it to my ear to show it to you. These headphones have ANC and also have two modes. The strong one or wind noise resistant. So choose the best one for you if you want to. Next one, these headphones also have transparency mode, so you can enable it in the application. Next one, you can manage play and pause the song. So I see first time that I can change it because by default we have autoplay pause, but right here you can enable just pause without play the song, or disable it if you want to. Next one, these headphones have low latency mode, so you can enable it in the application and it's good. Next one, it's a bass boost, and I guess it's classic, the best one preset for me, so I choose definitely him all the time. And the last one, these headphones have a really good microphone. I tested and I hear myself clearly when I speak normally or softly, and also it mutes street sounds, so you can easily use it on the street. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!